this one here. Is that stereotype looking here? And then facing me. And then facing me completely. Gorgeous. Good job. Please stand right. Yeah, let the hair, don't move, yeah. Let the hair go in your face. Let's have you like against this wall. Oh wait, but can we, I don't want to get it dirty. That's fine, don't worry. A little bit more. I know it's going to be a little more, yeah. But lean in again like this, yeah. Maybe like even here and then like looking, let's do something kind of like this, yeah. See, yeah. I'll just put the hair behind her evenly. Yeah. You gotta have that light coming through. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Good job. I love that. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Leah, good job. Could you be taking a step like walking? Taking a step forward? Yeah, big step. Looking here. Like as if you're walking, take the full step. One more. Oh yeah, go ahead. Everything's going really well. I love the textures. I love the sun's position. Tram is ruining all the shots, but that's okay. Kind of looking away, yeah. Keep moving. Even like more like exaggerate. My card is full again. Okay, I have like 200.
Okay, you should be good.
I feel like it's like you know when you put half of something on one credit card, then like $10 on another credit card, and then
exactly.
That's what I'm doing now, but memory cards. Good job. Beautiful. Let's have your hands in front, please. Yeah. Hold on, now I can go. Walking towards me. Keep walking straight. Just in this area, yeah, just in this area right here, yeah. Good job, yeah, perfect. Okay, let's do it. Libra power. There's 3 Libras on this shoot, it's crazy.
That is crazy.
That's crazy.
Triple Libra.
Okay, Leah. Hold on, gotta get my shadow out of this. And go. Looking at this side, more this side. Take your time. Gorgeous. Where's the Yeah, I love you guys. I could shoot here forever. Don't make me leave. Immigration, please. What do I know? Let's go to the gold, whatever this gold thing is. Yeah. It looks kind of like, you know, in the Little Mermaid, Triton's. Oh yeah. Right? Is it?
It actually does.
Just the physical. This is kind of cool. Yeah. Just your fringe quickly. Just like that. There you go. You fixed it. Oh, here, I got the perfect shot, Leah. It's gonna be with your eyeballs. Hold on, stay right there. Just lean in just a little bit. Yeah, lean in. Even more?
Oh, the sky is so blue.
Oh my God, Leah, you're gonna love these. You're gonna love them.
The pose is so good.
And I love this. Just have your art. Yeah.
So nice.
Amazing.
Yeah, like that. Yep, just like that. Very strong, very cute. I'm gonna shoot straight on. How are your eyes?
Okay.
Are they okay?
Yeah.
Making sure the lighting is fine. Yeah. Gorgeous. Look at here.
Oh, that's cute. I
Beautiful.
like it. Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, we'll do a few
Very
more then.
cute.
Good job.